How's it going, everybody? Hey, today I'm going to show y'all how to change a coil on a Kohler 7000 series.
First, I'd like to show y'all how to check for a no spark, low spark issue. So right here, I'm going to pull the spark plug wire from the number 2 cylinder. You notice hardly any change. I'm going to come over to number 1 cylinder, pull the spark plug, and the engine dies out.
I do not recommend pulling the coil leads like I just did. I'm just showing you for video purposes. What I would recommend is using an inline spark tester, turning the engine over, and checking and confirming you do not have spark. I will say, with the bulb type inline spark tester, sometimes they'll give a false reading. So you always want to confirm your diagnosis before you throw parts at it. Alright, to replace this coil, we need a flathead screwdriver, an 8mm short, 8mm deep, 10mm deep. I'm using an electric ratchet, but you could use a hand ratchet. You're going to need either business card if you don't have a feeler gauge, or a feeler gauge. First, we're going to remove this chopper fan. Then we're going to remove 10mm. The fuel pump's going to lay off to the side. We're going to move this 8mm, that 8mm, this 8mm, that 8mm, this air filter cover. Remove this 8, this 8, and this 8, and this whole cover will be removed. I'm going to do that right now. We'll move to the next step. Note, when removing the chopper screen, be careful, be gentle when prying up, that you don't break the tabs, and the chopper screen will be removed. Also, on this series right here, the cover, you don't have to completely remove the 8mm screws. Just loosen them up, and then this cover should pull straight off. Revealing our coil right here. Now here's our coil right here. We're going to remove our kill wire. We're going to disconnect our spark plug. We're going to take an 8mm. There's this one. There's this one. We're going to remove the coil from the machine. With our coil removed, we're going to get our new coil out. We're going to take our business card or our feeler gauge. We're going to install it in between our coil and our magnet of our flywheel. And we're going to reinstall our 8mm bolts and our kill wire. And when you tighten these down, do not over tighten them. Use a ratchet, not an electric ratchet. This is what it should look like with the kill wire installed, the bolts. There'll be some resistance when you pull the card away. Make sure your gap is okay in between your coil and your magnet, because that's what's actually causing the spark. Now in reverse order, we're going to install our cover and tighten all of our screws down, install our chopper screen, and this project will be done. Alright, this is what it's going to look like all put back together. We got the chopper screen, got the fuel pump installed back, tighten all of our 8mm bolts. Next we're going to start it up. And there you have it. That's how you change the coil on a Kohler 7000 series. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. See y'all next time.